Hi, I'm Manan.
Hello, I'm Tanisha,
We are Team Ship and App.
and we are building Vaani, an AI-assisted voice intelligence system.
In this video, we are going to showcase the POC build version 0.2.
In version 1, we have voice-to-voice assistant. We have a verified understanding dialogue state machine where Vaani validates a query and a human takeover during an active call. So this is the dashboard of version 1. This is how version 1 looks like.
In version 2, we have upgraded the core AI and integrated a knowledge base. We have an enhanced 5-stage ticket flow, and we have slightly revamped the UI along with integrating one-click OAuth, which protects all our administrative portals. This is what the new UI of version 2 looks like. We have a user page, we have the public landing page, and we have an updated admin portal, which has 5 different lifecycle stages. At Ship and App, we believe in build it first.
Speed and accuracy will follow.
In the upgraded dialog flow, after the agent reads, while collecting the query, if Vani detects it as belonging to another helpline, then it silently redirects the user to that said helpline. Otherwise, it proceeds. And after validating the query, if it is a grievance or a complaint, then it is recorded and the user is informed that human agent will follow up. If it is a general question, Vani tries to use the KB to answer the question, but if the information is not available, then it falls back to a default answer.
We have 5 stages enhanced ticket lifecycle. After a live call ends, it gets into a review phase where it is handled by a representative. He claims the ticket, moves it to the progress section, works on it, and moves it to a resolve section. During the resolve section, it gets reviewed by an admin and moved it to the close phase.
So in the new version, we have added a landing and a login page. We have added secure authentication using Google OAuth, and we have added role-based access, which protects all of our administrative consoles.
This is our updated user interface. We have landing page, login page, active call page, and an admin dashboard where you can see all the different tabs for different fields.
Now, let's move on to the demo of the new application. So in the first demo, I'm going to demonstrate authentication and RBAC. So let's begin by logging in. So as you see, I have a sign in Google button over here. If I click on it, I just chose my account and I'm logged in. Now I can head over to the user page. You can see that there are all my basic details, my name, email ID, my access level, which is super admin, and I have no department admin above me, or there is no IT admin currently assigned. There's only the super admin, that's me. Now let's go back. Let's start by creating a call center employee. Currently, you can see that there is only one department, that is the call center, but there is no other user other than me. So let's start by creating a CC admin. So let's register the user. Tanisha.ogg@gmail.com. I'm going to give her the role as call center admin, and let's register her. So you can see that the current situation is pending. Now, Tanisha, if you can please share your screen and log in.
Now I'm sharing my screen and let's move forward and see how a staff can log in. Let me log in, sign in with Google. So as you can see, now I have been logged in as a CC admin. Now I create a user under the call center department. So let's register a user over here. I am using another account for that. As an agent. Since I'm a call center admin, so I can only create agents under that department. So role is call center agent. Let's register her. As you can see, the status is pending. Once I active my account from that particular email ID, this will show an active status. So let's do that too. Let's do a staff login over here. Now switch to another account window as you can see, and I'll do a staff login from here. So let's sign in and do a staff login from here. Now you can see I'm a call center user and name is Tanisha.
All right. So now you can also see that if I refresh then as a super admin, I can see all of the users created across departments, and I can see the current status updated as active, active, and active. Also, I also have the power to create an admin for other departments. So, for example, I create a department, let's say water supply, some description, some description, and create it. So you can see that the department is active. And if I go back to users and I register users, now I can create a department admin and then choose which department do they belong to. Now let's start with a call demo.
So this was an earlier interface. Now we have added an option to add your phone number and review your previous tickets.
Like this. Apart from this updated interface, we also have a new interface, and that is giving a phone. We have successfully connected Vaani to a phone number.
Yes.
Now let's start with an actual demo where we are going to showcase call redirection.
Hello, and thank you for calling Vaani. How can I assist you today?
Hi Vaani, I need to register. I need to complain about a robbery that is taking place at my home right now. I need immediate service, immediate police intervention.
It looks like your query is related to police and emergency services, which is handled by a separate department. This query will get to police and emergency services. You can reach them directly by calling 114, 101 for fire details, 102 for ambulance, 112 for all emergencies. They are available 248 I'll stay on the line. Please let me know if you have a written query or if the same.
Yes, no, that's okay. Thank you. So you can see how it was able to understand that this particular query belonged to fire and police departments, and therefore it rerouted us. Currently, the rerouting is not inbuilt, but it gives us the information, but that can also be added.
Now I'm going to demonstrate knowledge base integrated into one. Let's start. Let me write the numbers and start.
Hello. Thank you for calling Vaani. How can I assist you today?
Hi Vani, I wanted to know a scheme Ayushman Bharat.
You inquired about the Ayushman Bharat scheme. Is that correct?
Yes.
The Ayushman Bharat scheme, specifically under the Arogya Karnataka initiative, requires applicants to submit their BPL or APL card along with an Aadhaar card at the hospital for treatment. To proceed, a referral letter from a district government hospital is necessary if applicable. For further assistance, you can reach out to the district coordinator or Arogya Mitra at the respective hospital. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you for reaching out to Vani.
Thank you. Now let's just demonstrate when Vani doesn't have an information in the knowledge base. Let me start the call.
Hello. Thank you for calling Vani. How can I assist you today?
Hi Vani, I wanted to know where I can buy a tractor.
I understand you have a question about buying a truck. Can you provide more details about what type of truck you are interested in?
It's for transportation and I wanted to buy a tractor, not truck.
I understand you are looking to buy a tractor for transportation. Can you tell me your location?
I'm in Faridabad right now. I wanted to use it for agricultural purposes.
I understand you are looking to buy a tractor for agricultural purposes in Faridabad. Is that correct?
Yes.
I wasn't able to find the exact information for your query. I recommend visiting your nearest district office or calling the relevant department helpline for accurate guidance. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you for reaching out to Vani.
So this is how Vaani gives a default answer when there is no information in the key.
Let's see what the new dashboard looks like. You can see that we have various tickets created during the recording of this demo, and some of them are already assigned to various departments like water supply over here, and the rest are unrouted. Unrouted tickets are the ones that are accessible by the call center, as well as the other departments. Now, once this ticket is routed to water supply, then only that department users can look at it. Other users will not be able to look at it. But if that department feels that a certain ticket is not applicable to them, they can once again reroute it to another department. Call center is the by default department. Now, if a user claims a ticket, then it will automatically go to in progress. So now let's treat Anisha as a call center agent, claim a ticket.
So as you can see, this is my review dashboard. I can claim any ticket over here. So I'm claiming this ticket. Let's claim the ticket. Now you can see I have this ticket in my in progress section. I can add a comment over here. Let's add something and send it. This is the comment which is visible to everyone who has the access and can be used for various purposes such as tracking progress. Now I'll mark this ticket as resolved and Manan will review it.
Alright, so now since I am the super admin, you can see that Anisha's ticket has already arrived to me in the results tab. Now I can go through it. I can see when it was made, whatever the comments are there, whatever work has been done over here. For example, if you're tracking it using comments, and then if I'm satisfied, if it is resolved, then I can close this ticket full and finally. And now the ticket has moved to close state.
All right. This is all about version 0.2.
Thank you.